Hello, hi friends, welcome back to my channel once again. I'm not posting the videos from a week, I think. So, what I thought was, even though I was busy with the things, I have to read. So, what I'm preparing for the current affairs will definitely try to post and share with you guys. Before get started, please to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hope you find the video helpful. Get started, and the question is, which government has launched Mukhyamantri COVID-19 Parivar Arthika Sahayata Yojana was, and the government of Delhi has launched this COVID-19 Parivar Arthika Sahayata Yojana to provide financial support to the family who has lost their beloved ones due to COVID pandemic. And the Delhi CM was Arvind Kejriwal and Governor was Anil Baijal. And the next question is, and the Delhi government appointed whom as the first Vice Chancellor of Delhi Sport University is. She is none other than former Olympic medalist and the recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Padma Shri and Arjuna weightlifter Karnam Malleswari has been appointed as first Vice Chancellor of Delhi Sports University. And we know that she is the first Indian woman to receive Olympic medal in 2000, recreating history at Sydney Olympic. Next question. Who among the following has authored a new book titled called It's a Wonderful Life by the famous author Ruskin Bond has written this book, and Jampa Lahari Garu is also a famous author, and Harshavardhan Garu has released a book recently, book called My Joys and a Sorrow as a Mother of a Special Child, and Tahri Garu has also recently released a book called The 7 Signs of Being a Mother. These books are recently released. And next question is, Reliance Jio Info Limited are embarking on a comprehensive long-term strategic relationship with the goal of powering 5G network, along with which company was? It was a Google. Powering 5G network in enterprises and customers along worldwide, and Google CEO was Sundar Pichai, established in 1998, and we know that the president of Reliance Jio was Mathai Oman and founder was Mukesh Ambani. Next question. National Skills Development Corporation and WhatsApp announced to launch Digital Skills Champions program. The aim of this program is to train Indian youth on a digital skills in order to make them employment ready, and also to the schools and universities with their certificate. Next question. International Airport has won a global award for quality of services. Means Cochin International Airport has won this quality of services marked by Airport Council International, and this ACI headquarters is in Canada, established in 1991, and the Cochin Airport International continuously recognizing for the service from past 10 years, and the award given by the option of passengers for their excellency service received by the airport staff. Next question. Founder of McAfee antivirus software company, he has recently passed away. His name is John David McAfee, and he established a company in a year 1987, headquarters in California. He died recently at the age of 75, and the question will be like this, he belongs to which country? He is an American. He is also called as an American computer programmer. Next question. The official Olympic theme song was launched and sang title is Laksha Tera Samne Hai, is an Indian Olympic song, and the Indian Olympic Association president was Narayana Ramachandran, and this Indian Olympic Games was founded in a year 1927. And the next question is, the World Investment Report 2021 by UN Conference on Trade and Development, India reports to which position? As per the World Investment Report released by 2021, India is the fifth largest recipient of foreign direct investment in the year 2020. United States remains the large recipient of foreign direct investment and China remains the second largest. Next question. Which minister has launched a nationwide Jan Hai To Janan Hai? He is Minority Affairs Minister Mukhtar Das Navi has launched a nationwide this Jan Hai To Janan Hai to bring an awareness on a corona vaccination for a rural and remote areas and to crush rumors related to this corona vaccination. Next question. Nikol Pashinyan elected as a prime minister. He belongs to which country? He belongs to Armenia, and Yerevan is a capital of Armenia, and currency is dram. And Israel prime minister was Naftali Bennett. He is recently elected as a prime minister. And Mongolia prime minister was Uknagin. Next question was OnePlus, the global technology, appointed the cricketer as a brand ambassador, and he is Jasprit Bumrah has been appointed as a brand ambassador of OnePlus, and a partnership with this OnePlus brand philosophy is never settle. Next question. Indian American chemists have been honored with an European Inventor Award 2021, and she is from India, and her name is Susmita Mitra, has been honored as a non-European patent office country category, and this award is given annually by European patent offices, and this award is the most prestigious and innovation prize for recognizing outstanding inventors from Europe and from beyond, and Susmita has been awarded in the year 2021. Next question. The Central European University Open Society Prize for 2021 was awarded to KK Sailaja Garu, and she was a former health minister of Kerala, and she was awarded for recognizing in her leadership and community-based public health work, saving many of us life during pandemic. And this CEU prize is given annually and established in year 1991. Next question. 2021 Land for a Life Award has been won by Familiar Forestry of Rajasthan by an unique concept that relates to a tree with a family members, making it a green family member, where United Convention to Combat Desertification organizes Land for a Life Awards for every 2 years, recognizing excellency and innovation efforts towards land in balance. The theme of this year is Healthy Land and Healthy Life. Next question. State has announced it is the first state in the country to be rabies free, means Goa. Rabies is a deadly virus spread to the people from a saliva of an infected animals. It's only a first state in the country that is free from rabies. The CM has reported that there is no single cases have been reported in the state from the last 3 years. And capital of Goa was Panaji, and the governor was Bhagat Singh, and CM was we know that Pramod Savankaru. Next question. R.K. Sabharwal gets the highest civilian award from which countries? Mongolia. And Sabharwal Garu, and she was an Engineer India Limited chairman and managing director, has been honored with this higher civilian award of Mongolia, the Order of a Polar Star, by his excellence work towards the establishment of first ever oil refinery in Mongolia. The capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar, and the currency was Tugrok. The president was Ukhan, as I mentioned before in previous question, I think. Next question. The French author wins the top Spanish award. He is Emmanuel Carrera, and he is popular for his non-fiction books like The Adversary, Our Lives But Mine, by him, etc. has won this top Spanish award 2021. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.